When it comes to modern kitchen appliances, the Empava 30-inch electric cooktop stands out as a top choice for homeowners seeking a versatile, powerful, and stylish cooking solution. This built-in radiant ceramic stove features 5 burners, including dual-element and warm zone capabilities, delivering a robust 7200 W of power across its surface. Let's dive into a detailed review to understand why this cooktop might be the perfect addition to your kitchen. The Empava 30-inch electric cooktop boasts a sleek and contemporary design, with a black glass surface that not only looks elegant but is also incredibly easy to clean. The product dimensions are 30.31 inches in width, 20.47 inches in depth, and 2.05 inches in height, making it a perfect fit for most kitchen countertops. The cutout dimensions are 29.53 inches in width and 19.69 inches in depth, ensuring a snug installation. It requires a 40-amp circuit breaker, and while it does not come with a plug, it is designed for hard wiring, making it a secure and integrated component of your kitchen setup. The Empava electric cooktop is equipped with 5 burners, offering a total of 7200 W of power. This includes 2 dual-ring elements, which provide consistent and even heat distribution, making it versatile enough to handle a variety of cooking tasks, from simmering sauces to searing steaks. The warm zone is a particularly useful feature, allowing you to keep dishes warm without overcooking them. This cooktop is designed to heat up quickly and maintain precise temperature control, thanks to its cutting-edge EGO heating elements, ensuring you achieve restaurant-quality results every time. One of the standout features of the Empava electric cooktop is its compatibility with a wide range of cookware materials. Unlike induction cooktops that require specific magnetic pots and pans, this electric stovetop can be used with stainless steel, iron, aluminum, ceramic, copper, porcelain, and even glass cookware. This flexibility allows you to use your existing cookware without the need for any special purchases, making it a convenient and cost-effective option. Safety is a crucial consideration for any kitchen appliance, and the Empava electric cooktop does not disappoint. It comes with multiple safety mechanisms designed to protect you and your family. The child lock feature prevents accidental changes to the settings, while the hot surface indicators alert you when the burners are still hot to the touch. Additionally, the auto shut-off function provides peace of mind by turning off the cooktop if it is left on for too long without any activity. Importantly, this cooktop lacks electromagnetic radiation, making it a safer option for your kitchen environment. The built-in design of the Empava electric cooktop maximizes your counter space, making it an ideal choice for a variety of settings, including apartments, hotels, and farmhouses. Its space-saving design does not compromise on performance, allowing you to enjoy a high-powered cooking experience without taking up too much room. The cooktop can be installed either with a wall oven or on its own, offering added flexibility to suit your kitchen layout and personal preferences. The Empava cooktop features a red LED display that adds a modern touch to your kitchen. This display is not only stylish but also functional, providing clear and easy-to-read information about your cooking settings. The black glass surface is designed to be resistant to high temperatures and is smooth, making it simple to wipe clean after each use. This ease of maintenance ensures that your cooktop remains looking pristine with minimal effort. Precision in cooking is essential, and the Empava electric cooktop delivers just that. The EGO heating elements are known for their rapid heat-up times and precise temperature control, allowing you to cook with confidence and consistency. Whether you are simmering, boiling, or frying, the cooktop provides the exact heat you need for each task, helping you achieve professional-level results in your home kitchen. In summary, the Empava 30-inch electric cooktop is a fantastic addition to any modern kitchen. Its combination of power, precision, and safety features makes it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced cooks. The versatility in cookware compatibility, coupled with its sleek design and easy-to-clean surface, ensures that it not only performs well, but also looks great in any kitchen setting. Whether you are upgrading your kitchen appliances or setting up a new home, This cooktop is sure to meet and exceed your expectations. With its impressive array of features, the Empava electric cooktop offers excellent value for money. The added peace of mind from its safety mechanisms and the convenience of its design make it a smart investment for any household. Experience the joy of cooking with precision and ease by adding the Empava 30-inch electric cooktop to your kitchen today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.